Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to redo the hood now after I sanded it. Hopefully this will work. So I'm just going to give it a couple quick sprays. All right, I'm going to need another one because I can still see through it. I don't want to put too much on and make a run. All right, so that's it for painting down here. I'll see you upstairs. Welcome back. I'm upstairs now after painting the hood, and I'm going to get ready to put the tires on. But first, I'm going to paint the visors. I'm going to paint those black. I'll get that shaken up. So I'm going to grab my little detail brush here. Grab my little magnifier. I really don't want to go beyond. Okay, we got that done. I'm not I can you see this? See light through that? Not too worried about it because when you put something behind it, kind of covers up that light. All right, now we're gonna pop on these tires. Got the two fronts, the two rear. Typically what I do is I glue them, but for the sake of trying something new, I'm gonna try it without gluing them. I used to have a problem with them falling off. Maybe it was just the tooling back then. See, I can hear that one's on. Well, I'll be glad I didn't put you through that. As I expected, I knocked the axle off and other pieces with it. I just got everything put back together. And let's see if we can continue with any more destruction. All right, let's continue with this. I'm going to put the windshield, rear view mirror, and the rear shield on. Okay, I got the rear window on, using the tape to hold the windshield like I learned from the Scale Model Experiment channel, which I really, really like. Not only does it keep your fingerprints off it, but it makes it a heck of a lot easier to set it in there.
Okay. Right.
All right. Now I'm going to do the windshield
Well, if I knew a little
using
bit more of what the problem, if I understood
the same tape trick.
I would.
Okay,
I basically.
there we go.
Roots, I guess.
Oh, you don't want to make it tighter with your pin? Is that even connected? Oh, you just have to make it.
Gonna set it in
You just
there.
have to make it tighter than you think you need to. I think.
Got a lot of commotion in here today. There we go. Just gonna go around. There we go. Better a noisy home than an empty home. There we go. Okay. I'll let those two windows harden. Put it, oh, you know what? Not ready to put it somewhere safe yet. I'm gonna put in the tail lights. All right, we got the tail lights in. I'm gonna put a little glue over here to set them in. And then these are gonna go behind them on the inside. Something like that. All right, let's get these set in there.
Sounds like Schmidt's fixing to have a little party this morning. A party? A hanging party. That's 200-pound sacks he's dropping. Gotta make sure them ropes hold up. Always using his top-grade hemp, Schmidt does. Oils it so it slides real good. Snaps your neck.
Okay.
Dried out twig. Fine artist at his trade, Mr. Schmidt. That bastard. Leaving. Without jackals. That's it. All right, Jack. Story checked out, Cooper. You're free to go. $11.40. That's all McLeod had on him when we picked him up. McLeod. McLeod was running from the law. Pulled up at Johansson's place, killed that old man and his wife. And then you blundered in. Stranger looking to buy some cattle, so McLeod sold you two head. But you got a pretty good laugh out of that. You want to see
Okay.
what he looks like?
The tail lights in there. Got the chrome behind it. Alright, we got our interior. We got our interior here. Got seats. Got a dash. Okay, we're going to do some detail on these on the window cranks. Window cranks, the door release. The border up here, we're going to do chrome and silver also. Okay, so let's get a toothpick and our silver paint here. All right, we got a silver paint all shooken up. Let's get a little toothpick here. Do want to slightly shave off the silver from the other day. Just want to keep my toothpick at a point. Cut off the very tip. Dab a little on towel. Okay, we got our top of our cranks. Okay. I just want to show you progress this far. This is taking quite a while, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably gonna take me about 45 minutes, maybe more. So there we are so far. Let me continue, I'll show you when it's done. Alright, so we got this one done. I'm gonna do a little copper or gold color there on the bottom of the knob. There's one. You got the other one done. All with a toothpick. Alright, let's get the bottom of the knobs done. Alright, with that done, let it dry up some more, and then I'm going to do black on the speaker. Alright, so we used a gloss black right here on both doors. Alright, now we're going to do the speakers. Okay, this door is done.
I'm in a cell at gunpoint. Give me a break for it. I try to shoot low, but I'm not very good at that.
We got this door done.
$11
Okay.
for the aggravation they call
Well, that's going to do it for today. This might be really short for you, but it's been quite a while doing the detail on these. Thank you for joining me. I hope you join me again, and please like and subscribe. Again, it would truly help me a lot. And have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.